Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link your PayPal account. First, log in to your PayPal account using your secure credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Wallet or Bank Accounts and Cards section, usually found in the main navigation. From there, you'll see an option to link a new bank account or a new card. This is your first step towards seamless transactions. To link a bank account, select Link a Bank Account and choose your financial institution from the list. You can often link instantly by entering your online banking login details. If not, manually input your bank's 9-digit routing number and your specific account number. PayPal will then send 2 small deposits, typically less than $1 each, to your bank account within 2 to 3 business days for verification. If you prefer to link a debit or credit card, select Link a Debit or Credit Card. You'll need to enter your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code found on the back or front of your card. Also, ensure your billing address matches the one on file with your card issuer. PayPal might make a temporary small charge, usually around $1, to verify the card, which is then refunded. After linking, verification is crucial. For bank accounts, once you see the 2 small deposits in your bank statement, return to PayPal and enter those exact amounts to confirm. For cards, find the 4-digit code next to the temporary charge on your statement and enter it in PayPal. Once verified, your linked bank account or card is fully active and ready for secure online payments and transfers. You can link several accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.